Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am here with the 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS, finished in satin steel. I love the liquid metal look of this Trailblazer, and up front we have black Chevrolet Bowties, a chrome accented grille, as well as black grille inserts. Now this vehicle has active aerodynamics, providing you with shutters behind your grille that actually provide better fuel economy and better performance. Also up front, we have our Intellibeam front headlights, providing you with smart high beam management on your journey. To the side, we have our bright silver painted 17-inch aluminum wheels, black mirrors, as well as body colored door handles, and black trim running us down the side to our rear. And in the rear, we have our beautiful black Chevrolet Bowtie, and our liftgate comes with an integrated rear view camera. This provides you with view behind you when you're parking, helping you stay safe. And in the spirit of safety, this vehicle also comes equipped with front pedestrian braking, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and lane departure warning. The most important thing is not that you look good while you're driving this, but that you arrive to your destination safely. Now, the interior of this vehicle really shines with our jet black premium fabric interior. I love the look of these seats. I've said it before and I'll say it again. These patterns are awesome on the seats. And getting into the cabin, we have our forward collision alert controls on the steering wheel, as well as voice and audio commands. Now, this vehicle is also equipped with connectivity. That is the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system with a 7-inch touchscreen display and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. We have our climate controls just below that, and our USB connections as well. We have our black shift knob. It looks really nice, and we have this glossy black trim as well found throughout the interior. In the rear of the vehicle, we have lots of headroom, lots of legroom back here. After all, this is a Trailblazer, and we do have a rear folding bench seat. Very, very simple to operate. All we have to do is grab the latch and pull forward, and down the seat will come. This gives you more cargo options to take whatever you need, wherever you need to go. With the rear liftgate up and the seats down, we can see just how much cargo space we have, and it is generous. We also have cargo tie downs and illumination to help you when lighting might not be the greatest. We also have tether points for child seats on the rear of the back bench seat. Seriously, I love the look of the new Trailblazers. They look very sporty, and especially in this satin steel, looks very, very sporty. So if you would like to see it for yourself, if you would like to take it for a test drive, if you have any questions, or if you just want to know more, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. Our sales staff will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.